to learn how to draw the square isolated column putting. First, set the units. UN, enter. Take type as decimal, precision as 0.00 and unit as millimeters. Click OK. At first, we are going to draw cross section of the square column. The column size is 300 by 300 and let us take the clear cover as 40 mm. So take rectangle, click, de-enter, size is 300 by 300, click, then take an offset command, provide an offset of 40, enter, click this object and click inside, escape, then take the fillet command and provide the radius as 12, select polyline and click on this inside rectangle. Now select the circle command and draw a circle here with the radius 12. Next select the circle and click on the rectangular array. Here provide 3 rows and 3 columns. So here it is 4 is there. So change it to 3. Enter. Now pick this point and move towards the midpoint of this line. Click here. Pick this point and move towards the midpoint of this line. Click, escape, then select this thing and explode it by X, enter, then select the mid circle and delete it. Once it is over, now select the line, draw a line here from here to here. Next, draw a horizontal line of length 25 mm at the top, then draw a horizontal line of 25 mm at the bottom, escape, then select these 3 lines by window selection, then click on rotate, click on this midpoint as the base point and give an angle of -45 degree, then select this line and delete it. This concludes the cross section of the square column. Now let us focus on the longitudinal section of square isolated column putting. Now I will start from the bottom. Here PCC is provided. This dimension is 1600 plus projection of 100 this side and projection of 100 this side. Totally it is 1800. Depth is 75. Now let us go here. Okay. Now select a line and draw a center line from this midpoint. Then escape. Select the rectangle command. Click, de-enter and provide length as 1800 and depth as 75 mm. Click, select this rectangle and move it with this as the base point. Move it and bring it here. Then select this rectangle and explode it, X, enter. Then take the trim command, right click, trim it off, then remove this object, then take the line option, from at the bottom click here and provide a length of 1500, click. Now horizontal length of 300, escape. Now select the line option and draw an inclined line here, escape, then select it and click on copy, and provide some 3 to 4 lines, escape, select it, click on the mirror, select the second point and click, enter. Now take the line option, here provide a projection of 100 mm, then upward length of 300, escape, then press again spacebar. From here draw one line up to here. Next select this line and click this point and reduce the length by 450 mm, 450, enter. Then take the line option and join these 2 lines, escape. Then take the offset option, provide an offset of 40 mm. Select this line, click here, select this line and click here, escape. Then take the pilot command and provide a radius of 12 mm, enter, and click this line and click this line, select this line and select this point, reduce the length by 100 mm, enter, escape. Then select the circle command and place it here and draw a radius or draw a circle of radius 12 mm. Select the circle. Here go to the array option, take path array and click on this line and provide a between distance as 100 mm. Enter, escape. Next, take the offset option and provide an offset of 40 mm. Select this line and click here. Now take the line option, draw a line up to by taking quadrant as the tracking point. Okay, and provide this side length as 300 and upside length as 12 mm. Enter, escape. Then take fillet option and click on this line, click on this line, again press space bar, click this point and click this point. Over. Once it is over, now select this line and move it upwards. Select this quadrant as the tracking point and bring it here. Escape. Now we need to draw a break line here. So for that type BR, select break line and draw a break line here from here to here. Click enter. Next take the trim command, right click and trim this portion. Escape. Now go to the line option and draw a line here. Escape. Select this line and take the path array and click on this line and provide a between distance as 200 for stirrups. Then close it, select that one, explode it by X, enter. Then remove the unwanted lines here. See here, these are the unwanted lines, delete it. Next, once all this thing is over, select all the things except the break line. Okay, then click on the mirror command and click on this point and bring the cursor below, click enter. Okay, this concludes the longitudinal section of square isolated column putting. Next, we are going to learn how to draw the putting cross section of the putting here. Okay, now I will take rectangle option. I will go to this point and I will track it and de-enter. The length is 1800 and the width is 1800. Enter, click and select an offset command. Provide an offset of 100. Enter. Click this rectangle and click it inside. Spacebar to cancel the command and again press the spacebar to repeat the same offset command. Now we need to provide an offset of 40 mm. Take it, select this object and click it inside. Escape. Select all these three lines and explode it by pressing X, enter. Next, select these two lines and delete it. Now go to the offset options. Provide an offset of 100, enter, select the object. Now select the multiple option and click here 3 times. 1, 2, 3, enter. Now select this object and click it upwards. 1, 2, 3, enter. Now here we need to show the cross section of the column in the putting also. For that I'm going to copy this thing. First select it, press copy. Okay, take the geometric center. Take the geometric center as the base point and move it below. In this line, search for the midpoint. Okay, once you got the midpoint, drag it, then click it, press escape. Okay, this concludes the cross section of the pudding. So overall, we got cross section of the column, cross section of the pudding, and LS of column and as well as the pudding. Remaining thing is labeling part and dimensioning part. Thank you.